everybody, welcome to New York JFK. Today we are going to be on a 737-800 headed down to Punta Cana. We board in 6 minutes, and there's a look at our 22-year-old 737. Now we board in 3 minutes, there's my passport, and now we're boarding this airplane headed to Punta Cana. And here's my seat today, 4F, and we're going to be getting a meal on this flight, so it'll be kind of interesting to see what it's like. Legroom, 36 inches of pitch. We have an older USB port, a place to put your phone or iPad, seat recliner, universal power outlet, and a pretty good seat back pocket, 737 safety card, and also another thing to put your drinks on. And this other thing comes out of the seat in front of you for your drinks as well. Adjustable headrest. Another view outside of our window. Boarding is almost complete. We do get a meal on this flight, so we're going to be testing out how the service is. The first class cabin, only 7 seats are taken. This is the newest 737 model American Airlines makes. Just getting ready to push back from the gate. Boarding is complete. And pre-departure beverage, there it is. Okay, pushing back from the gate. Headed down to Punta Cana, hopefully. And you'll see why in a little bit. So stay tuned, this video gets pretty interesting.
This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's any bienvenidas.
They did play the safety video in Spanish, so about a 3-minute Spanish safety video. And there is a Korean Air Airbus A380. So taxiing to runway 36, a center here at JFK for a city takeoff. And again, trust me, don't miss out on what's to come in this video. I gotta say, there's so much to see at JFK on the takeoff. Not just what's at the airport, also the city of New York is so cool to see. New York City appears in 3, 2, 1. There it is. New York City, folks. Alright, settling in, just passing 10,000 feet over the North Atlantic Ocean, headed south to Punta Cana. We have reached our cruising altitude, but not for long, folks. We just got word that one of our generators on our airplane is having problems, so we're turning back to JFK. And when we get back in the air, headed back to Punta Cana, I will pick up where I left off on this video. Alright, so pretty much what happened is we're in a 737 MAX now. We're going to go back to where we left off because this plane is pretty much the exact same as the 737 over there that we just got off of that had the problem of the generator. So now we're just going to go to where we left off. It's the exact same plane. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the air. Alright, back to where we left off, almost at our cruising altitude, so let's do a little laboratory tour. Sink was okay. I didn't really figure out how to adjust warm, hot water. I don't think there was a way to. I don't know, we got soap. It's an okay bathroom. It's pretty average. It's not that great, but there we go. In-flight entertainment and information. Just a bunch of movies listed, and the drink menu for main cabin is there. Also, the buy on board products instead, not just the complimentary beverages. But I get a lot more than just that on this flight. But you'll see the real first class service, like the meal and stuff, which I don't know what I'm going to order yet. They haven't asked me yet, but we'll see what I get. As I'm just starting to get comfortable on this flight, hot towel to start the service. There's my tray table set up for this flight. And then service starts with some warm nuts and a Coca-Cola. Food, I got grilled chicken and rice. It was pretty tasty, actually, with the pretzel bun and some sort of lava cake. There's another view outside my window. I cleaned my plate and was left to finish my drink. And we got about 2 hours and 30 minutes left in this flight. Alrighty, we have started our initial descent, so here's a quick time lapse that I took on this flight, and I apologize that it's not a wide angle of time lapse, but I was just trying something new, putting my phone inside of the window shade just to try to see how good of a quality time lapse I could get. So I apologize, but here's a cool time lapse I took of the descent into Punta Cana. Here we are ending our long final descent into Punta Cana to land on their runway and butter. Alright, here we are in Punta Cana. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, 400 away. And you guys are the reason why I make these videos. And I hope you guys like them. Have a great rest of your day and subscribe.